Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the part 2 of the gold analysis. So last month I made a video about the gold analysis. So it can be two uses basically. One is it can be useful for those who want to invest in gold, and the other thing is for the Power BI developers who want to learn how to make this kind of analysis. And in the August 2021 update of Power BI, we can add the custom values for the constant line in X and Y axis. So I want to use that feature into our analysis, and I want to make this video. So in our channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So this is the one which I have made in the last month. Now in the August 2021 update, so if you look at this example I have did here, this is basically a constant line which shows the current date, and this is the current market price. This is amazing, right? So based on our analysis and the forecast of upper and lower bound, we can see that the gold rate as of now is at the lower bound, and it means the prediction from Power BI based on the data available is accurate. So how we can do this is, the first thing is on the x-axis we need to have a today's date. So what I did, I just added a measure like this. It is just a simple measure. Today date, I have given the name equal to today, and I have selected this same line chart visual and go on to this analytics pane, and here I have this x-axis constant line. So I clicked on add, so it added this value, and here if I erase this, either you can select a date from this drop down. It will be a static one, it may not be a dynamic one. So what I thought, to create a today's date, it will be changing on a day-to-day daily basis, right? So I created a measure, and then after this, beside to this you have a FX. If you click on that, you will get this pop-up window. Here you can select the one which you have created is today's date, right? Basically it is in gold rate table, it is the one today's date. Select this one and then click on OK. So this will add a new line, and even if you are going to open this report a week after, a month after, this line is going to change accordingly. So it will be good to have a constant line like this, just to highlight this is for the current date. Now we need to get the current market price, then only we can able to justify the predictions, right? So in that case we need to use the y-axis constant line, and everything is remains the same. We can change the color, we can change the transparency, we can change the line style, and we can change the line position, also the value of it if you want to enable. Now how we can get the current market price? That's a challenge, right? So what I did, basically I have just visited this website. This is, as I'm from India, Tamil Nadu and Chennai, so I have taken the Chennai's rate of current date. Basically I have gone through this website, goldreturns.in. so here in this website it gives me the rate as of 14th August. I am making this video. So on 14th August, this is the price for 22 karat gold, and this is the price for 24 karat gold. As we are predicting the gold price for 10 grams, so this is the one. Today 24 karat gold price is for 10 gram 48,380, and yesterday it was this, and this is the daily price change. So we need to get this data from this website, and this is going to be a static table, but the value will change inside to that table. So in that case we can use this website for Chennai location, and I'm going to add that in my file. So how we can do this is, basically we can click on get data and get data from web. I'm just copying the website link and get data from web, and here you need to add that URL and click on OK. If in your case, if you are from any other city of India, you can use the same website with a different location. You can easily find it on the Google, and you can use the same link. It is just finding out what are the tables available inside to that, so that we can get the exact value out of it. Okay, here's the one. So if I select the first table, this gives the value of 22 karat gold, and if I select the second one, this gives me the value of 24 karat gold. This is what I need actually. So I can click on this table and then click on transform data. So after that we need to do some steps. So till this stage I have done that. So I'm going to cancel this and let's go back to this report and then Power Query editor. So this is basically the 24 karat gold price, and this is the data which is extracted by Power BI till this step. So after this, what we can do, I just need to filter this only to show the 10 gram value. So this is the one, the filtered of 10 gram value. And I just need the gold price of today. I don't need yesterday and the daily price change. So I can select these two columns and then remove columns. I did that. So I got the 10 gram of 24 karat gold price as of today. So this is going to be a static table, but the value will keep on changing on a daily basis. So I have given this name, table name as 24 gold rate today. So apply and close. Once you do so, you will get this table here. Now the next thing is, what we need to do is we need to add a Y constant line. So if I click on, if I cancel this, it will be like this by default, and if I click on add, this will give you this one. You can, if you want to add a default constant line, you can also add that, but recently they have given this option. So I'm going to click on FX and field value. Here I'm going to select the table and the value here, and in the summarization I'm going to use sum. Previously for the x-axis we used measures, but here I'm not going to use measure. I'm going to use the plain table itself because it is just one value, and also this feature is also available. So I'm going to use that and then click on OK. By doing that, this is going to add a y-axis constant line basically. So looking at this one, let me zoom this. If you look at this price, is basically the constant line, and the date, the price is nearer to the lower bound of the predictions. So this is going to be an useful features they have introduced in August 2021 update. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure to turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.